Good morning everyone. Today I will explain the AutoCAD 2D user interface. At the top we have the title bar. Here is our title bar. It shows the name of the current drawing file. Below it we have the menu bar and ribbon. Menu bar has file, edit, view, insert, formats, and so on. Below it we have ribbon. The ribbon bar is organized with tabs. For example, Home tab, Insert tab, Annotate Parameter, and so on. Each tab consists of panel. For example, Home tab, it has Draw panel, Modify panel, Annotate panel, Layers panel, and so on. Each tab is structured with panels. Okay, it contains many tools for drawing and editing. Draw panel, it consists of drawing tools as like as a line, polyline, circle, as it has draw panel. Another one, modify panel, it has move, rotate, copy, mirror, and so on. Here is also as like this. This is our drawing area. We use it to create lines, circles, and various shapes. We can use various types of command and we can draw this area. At the bottom we have command line. This is our command line. We can type commands here. On the right side we have navigation tool. These help us zoom and move around the drawing. Finally, the status bar. This is our status bar. It includes grid, snap, and auto mode. This is our AutoCAD 2D user interface. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.